So here's your disclaimer. The following video is part of Milford Sound. It shows Phil getting attacked by sandflies. He does make some funny jokes, and it's part of the experience, but you may not want to watch it. I didn't enjoy watching it. But it is also funny, but it's also part of the experience, so I still wanted to provide it if you are interested.
While we were waiting for the tour group to get done with their photographs, we were sitting by the bus and we noticed a cafe and an information center, and they must have magnets, they deemed, and so she went off and grab magnets. I told her to grab me a soda if they had Coke Zero, which is fine, but I am literally getting eaten alive by ninjas out here while I wait for her. But I want to stand vigil in case they come back and they go to leave her. So here I remain, eaten alive by midges. Jesus Christ, there's so many of them. And more come by the moment. I'm going to lose this battle if I stay here long enough. Good God, look at them all crawling on my hands. Ugh. Stupid biting flies. Look at that, all over my shirt. I am a midge at this point. What Kafka level shit is this? Ah. Ah. I like the part with the mountains, not the part with the beaten alive. It's going to be a really good magnet. I have more midge on my pants than... Jesus Christ, this. I look to the side and then just it's a swarm of midges. Technically not midges, they're black, stupid torpedoes or something. My arm is getting tired swatting at them. And they like my bald spot. Why would you like my bald spot? Thanks, they're just insecurity bugs. Like in sharp. Very insecure. Oh God. Jesus Christ. Oh, the camera too. Oh my God. I guess I could look at the mountains. Something had been ground into my hair. Gross. Gross. Good thing I wore black pants because I smeared them all into my pants. I'm gonna lose this fight. There's more of them than me. God damn, every time I swap my hand, there's like 15 of them on my hand. Duh. Jesus Christ. I feel like Nedry in Jurassic Park. I guess Nedry's not right. Oh, who was eaten by compies? In the book it was Hammond, but it doesn't happen in the movie. Whatever. I should just close my eyes. I remember who I feel like. In The Mummy, there's the guide for the Americans who, once the lotus are released, he just sits there covered in lotuses. That's how I feel. I am just sitting here covered in lotus. Ugh, no way. Oh, look, there's a bird. Come eat my midges. Hope Haley hurries up. I don't want to be midge. My mold bug, leave it alone. Just crawling on my hands after I swat him. There he is. come to save me.